Hello, in front of me I've got Marathon. In this video I'll show you how to change operator. Operators in this game are called shells. In order to change them, in my menu let's go to shells by pressing S button. And here we can find Destroyer, Vandal, Recon, Assassin, Driage, Thief and Rogue. Each shell has its own perk. On the right side of the screen you can find abilities and traits. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.